Well, students, topic of the video is matrix. In this video, we discuss sums on matrix, properties of matrix, uses of matrix, and how to use matrix in determinant, and many more. What is matrix? Matrix is a kind of arrangements of elements, which will you observe in the mobile screen or TV screen. Here, a matrix can be represented as 3 by 3. It means the first one is number of rows and second one is number of column. As for example, A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23, A31, A32, A33. This one is elements of first row and third column. This one is elements of second row and first column. Or you can say this one is a square matrix. Why this is a square matrix? Because here number of rows is equals to number of columns. If the matrix like this 1 3 4 minus 1 0 2 and order of this matrix is 2 by 3, we say 2 by 3, but written for the timing of writing this one 2 cross 3. First one is number of row and second one is number of column. These elements is elements of first row and first column. Now, if naming of the matrix is a capital letter A, if you write A transpose like A prime, A T, A capital T, all are same. Here rows converted to column and columns converted to row. That means this one becomes is like this 3 cross 2. Now 3 is number of row and 2 is number of column. For row matrices, there is only one row 1 3 5 7. This one is one row and 4 column. This is row matrix. And the next column matrix, here is only one column minus 1 0 3, 3 rows and 1 columns. This is column matrix. For upper triangular matrix, this one is upper triangular matrix. Why this upper triangular matrix? Here this one is principal diagonal, this one is principal diagonal, and that elements is upper triangular. Other elements can be 0 or not. That means any at least one element of this one is non-zero. Then this one is upper triangular matrix. For lower triangular matrix, this one is lower triangular matrix. and DIAG 1 3 4, this is diagonal matrix. This one can be written as 1 0 0 0 3 0 0 0 4. This one is diagonal matrix. In that case, this is principal diagonal. Elements of principal diagonal is non-zero, but upper triangle elements of upper triangular is 0, element of lower triangular is 0. This is called diagonal matrix. But if that one can be written as like this one also diagonal matrix 1 0 minus 4, this one is also diagonal matrix 1 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 minus 4. This one is also called diagonal matrix. Identity matrix. Identity matrix is also a diagonal matrix. If we write I3, then it is 3 by 3, 3 rows and 3 columns. Elements of diagonal is 1, otherwise 0. It means upper triangular elements are 0 and lower triangular elements are also 0. For I2, 1 0 0 1. For I1, only 1. This is identity matrix. Now we discuss operations on matrix. Operations on matrix means A plus B, addition, subtraction, multiplication. Division is not applied on matrix. If A is a matrix of order P by Q and B is a matrix of order M by N, for A plus B defined, P equals to M and Q equals to N. For A minus B defined, here is also P equals to M and Q equals to N. It means if two matrices or order of two matrices is same, then plus and minus between them can be defined. Otherwise, that part cannot be defined. For multiplication, for AB defined, here order of A, number of columns of A is Q, so Q and number of rows of B is M, so Q equals to M, and order of AB becomes P by N. For BA defined, N equals to P, so order of BA is M by Q. As for example, let order of A is 2 by 4 and order of B is 4 by 3. Then AB is defined. Why AB is defined? Because number of columns of A is 4 and number of rows of B is 4. So that two are equal. So AB is defined and order of AB is 2 by 3. But in the time of BA, that two part is not equal. 3 not equals to 2. That means number of columns of first matrix, that is B, is equals to 3, which one is not equal to number of rows of first matrix A, second matrix A. So BA is not defined. So from this example we can write AB not equal to BA. in general. But for this example, order of A is 2 by 2 or 2 by 3. Order of B is also 2 by 3. So A plus B is defined because order of both matrices is equal, and A minus B is also defined because order of two matrices is equal. But for the matrix A is order of A is 2 by 3, order of B is 3 by 2. Here AB is defined because number of columns of first matrix is equal to number of rows of second matrix, and on order of AB is 2 by 2. And for BA, here number of columns of first matrix equals to number of rows of second matrix. So BA is also defined, and order of them is 3 by 3. So AB not equal to BA. Here for this example, AB and BA both exist and both defined, but order of them is not equal. So AB not equals to BA. And the second topic, symmetric matrix. What is symmetric matrix? If A transpose equals to A, then A is called symmetric matrix. As for example, 1, 2, 3, 0, minus 1, here 4, 2, 3, minus 1. Now you see that about the principal diagonal, that elements are same, just like mirror image. So this one is A, and A transpose is equals to, if we write the rows in the column of A transpose, so 1, 2, 3, 2, 0, minus 1, 3, minus 1, 4. So A transpose equals to A, then A is symmetric matrix. In that case, you can write Aij equals to Aj when I not equal to j. You see that this one is elements of A, this one is elements of A1, 2, this one is elements of A2, 1. So A1, 2, N2, 1, both of them are same, or I not equal to j, 1 not equal to 2. Otherwise A1, 1, A2, 2, A3, 3 is not, you cannot say any value of the diagonal matrix of symmetric matrix. So this one is symmetric matrix. And the next one, for skew symmetric matrix, if A transpose equals to minus A, then A is called skew symmetric matrix. As for example, now you see that this one is A and the diagonal of the elements are 0. Here is always diagonal of the elements is 0, and A transpose, where the rows in the column 0, 2, 3, minus 2, 0, minus 1, minus 3, 1, 0, and if we take minus common from each of the elements, For the matrix there is a property, if we multiply it by something or divide by something, then each and every element of the matrix should be multiplied by that element or divided by that element. So we take minus 1 common from the each of the elements, so this one becomes 0 2 3 minus 2 0 minus 1 minus 3 1 0, and this one becomes minus a. So A transpose equals to minus a. So this one is skew symmetry matrix, and here you see that Aij equals to minus of Aji when I not equal to j, and this one equal to 0 when I equal to j. Now see that A11, A11, A22, A33 are equal to 0, but this one is A12 and this one is A21. A12 and A21 both of them are in opposite sign. A13, A31 they are in opposite sign. A23, A32 they are in opposite sign, and the diagonal elements are 0. This all of the symmetry matrix and skew symmetry matrix, all this kind of concept applied on square matrix. If there is a square matrix, then we can apply symmetry on skew symmetry matrix concept, otherwise it is not possible. For rectangular matrix, what is rectangular matrix? Where number of rows is not equals to number of columns, as for example 1 3 4 2 minus 1 0, this one is 2 by 3. This is rectangular matrix. Here number of rows is not equals to number of columns. This is rectangular matrix. And there is also a diagonal. There is this one is diagonal, but not like this. So here this one is diagonal, and there is 3 element and there is 3 element. For 2 by 2 there is 1, there is 1. For 4 by 4 there is 3 1 2 3 4 5 6, there is 6, and there is also 6 element. But for the rectangular matrix, this is there you see that here is 1 element and here is 3 element. Not number of elements are not equal about the principal diagonal in both sides. So this one is rectangular matrix, and this one is example of square matrix. And symmetry matrix and skew symmetry matrix, all these kinds of concepts applied on square matrix. So students, in the next video on this topic we discuss sums on matrix.